Hi, I'm Ashley Ellis, and I'm the UF IFAS Sarasota County Extension Residential Horticulture Agent and Master Gardener Coordinator. And today we're going to learn about ways to save in the garden. One way to save is by using native plants. And we're here at a section of our native plant garden at the Extension office and our bioswale, which is largely made up of native plants. Some of the main benefits from a cost-saving perspective by using native plants in the garden are native plants are adapted to our local soil and climate conditions, which means you don't have to use as much water or fertilizer to get the plants established or to maintain them in the landscape. Another cost-saving tip about using native plants in the landscape is that they have naturally evolved to coincide with our pests. So that means that there's going to be less chemicals needed in the environment because they have natural pest resistance. Now, to learn more about gardening with native plants and other tips to save money in the garden, you can sign up for one of our upcoming classes in Eventbrite.